money was no object, where would you go on holiday?
Barbados.
Go to Barbados. Wait. What does it say there?
Michael, your next flight with us is to Bridgetown, Barbados. Did you guess that?
Is that right?
Yeah.
Did you both pick Barbados as your first choice destination? Surprise!
I thought it looked like a football.
Right, hello and welcome to day one of our trip to Barbados. Family's having a morning stroll on the beach and it's just coming up to 7 AM in the morning. Of course the family we're a little bit jet lagged after their 9-hour flight. Here I go! There we go. And the sea is very warm. Liv, how was your first long haul flight?
Very nice until I got to the last 2 hours and I got really bored.
Right, anyway, we're going to go and enjoy some breakfast and then we're probably going to go to your favourite beach, aren't we? Barbados completed. We've all eaten way too much and we're just having a nice walk on the beach just before dinner. So having a nice time. We were just trying to recreate a photo that was taken 11 years ago with Isabella and Mummy and then recreate it with the three of them. For nostalgia. You had a nice day.
Yeah, it's lovely here.
Tomorrow we have an adventure on a catamaran or a boat of sorts and we're going snorkeling, aren't we?
Yeah.
Are you sad that you don't remember the first time you came here?
Yeah, kind of. Why did you bring me here when I was that young? What literally was the
That holiday wasn't for you, it was for me and Mummy. Anyway, we will see you tomorrow, hopefully on a boat.